My name is Iker.
My name is Maria.
I'm going to present the cycle of the jellyfish.
Jellyfish lays eggs into the water for fertilization. On the eggs is fertilized, there will be larvae forming. They will form on the tentacles of the adult jellyfish. They float in the water after being something they can adapt to.
Once they make fat attachment, they move into the next part of the jellyfish. This is the polyp stage. This is when they will develop the solid part of the bodies. For example, the formation of the mouth and the tentacles. As they start to separate from the colony, they will become jellyfish
That can
that can
freely move
around.
around.
There are two distinct stages. The first is the polypod stage, where they take the form of a small entity with tentacles to feed with. They tend to float around in the water with no real control over the movement.
The second stage of the jellyfish
Lifestyle?
is when there is the reproduction. Jellyfish can create the eggs and life cycle starts again.
Okay, very good.